Do you want to get out of the rat race? Over time, your colleagues have been increasingly awakening to the reality of an endless cycle of work, eat, and sleep every single day. Now you're longing for a life of freedom and enjoyment. You now understand and refuse to trade your precious time for mere survival. Today, I'll reveal one of the most practical methods in escaping out of the rat race. So if you want to have a higher chance of escaping the rat race, make sure to watch it until the end. First, you have to understand that you are inside the Matrix. It's not like the movie you've watched, where Neo and the rest of humanity are inside a computer simulation governed by robots. But we are indeed being controlled, without you knowing. Being in a rat race is like being in the Matrix. Escaping your way out of the rat race by working hard, cutting costs, and saving alone is almost impossible in our current monetary system. Why? Because the cost of living a decent life is skyrocketing faster than our wages can catch up. For example, you started your career in 2000. You earned around $1,000 monthly, while your rent is $100 monthly. 1 year later, your wage increased and you're earning $1,100 monthly now, but your rent will be $120. See the imbalances? Not only that, aside from rent, food and everyday essentials are becoming more expensive, while the paychecks struggle to keep pace. And who do you think the main culprit is? It's none other than the government, who is inflating the money. By printing more and more money, the value of each dollar you hold decreases over time. It means that your purchasing power steadily deteriorates. Let's consider a scenario. If you go to a grocery store a decade ago, your $10 can buy you 10 apples or something. But now, your $10 can only buy 1 or 2. The value of the product increased by 10x, but the wage of the same position over a decade is surely not 10x more, not even close to 5x more. Now, do you understand better why rich people tell you that saving will not make you rich? Take note that cutting your expenses and saving money is still important. But why? Well, money is not only used for daily survival or luxuries. Money is a powerful tool that can unlock endless opportunities. It means the more money you have, the more opportunities are opened. The key to escaping the rat race lies in finding ways to earn money. It doesn't matter even if you're stuck in a job you're passionate about. In today's economy, holding on to a steady income is crucial. The larger your income stream, the greater your chances of breaking free. Now you might ask, what if I live in a third world country? Of course, you will have very low salaries where saving seems impossible. The best way is to go overseas or harness the internet's potential for remote work. Imagine this. Individuals with college degrees in the Philippines earn a mere $300 a month, while the same position in the United States gives around $3,000 salary, a staggering amount of 10x. Are you ready to take part in working in the comfort of your home while earning a huge chunk of money? If so, it's time to think internationally. You have to learn your target country's language and leverage the internet to earn a higher wage. But wait, increasing your income stream isn't solely about working for others. If you've got an entrepreneurial mindset, starting an online business is within your reach. Don't let fear hold you back. Starting a business today is not as risky and costly compared to the past. With a little research, you'll discover countless low-budget or even free ways to launch your own business. If you create more income streams, then you'll have more chances to escape the rat race. Now, would you still spend your hard-earned money just to show your friends you're rich? Or you'll start investing instead and escape the matrix? Now, here's where things get exciting. If you truly want to break free from the rat race in record time, you'll need to take some calculated risks with a portion of your hard-earned savings. We're talking about some unique investments. It is a game-changing strategy with limited downside and virtually unlimited upside. A unique investment is not through playing the lottery and casino, where your chances are 1 in a gazillion. Instead, it is an investment that has a realistic chance of paying off in extraordinary returns. Let's give a good example. Remember when Bitcoin first appeared on the market in 2009? At the time, Bitcoin cost less than $1. Bitcoin showed the world the potential of a digital currency replacing the dollar itself. Some people saw the opportunity as a very risky investment with the potential of giving high rewards. One of the most unforgettable stories is when a man sold his 10,000 bitcoins for a pizza. Imagine that man who risks around $20 for pizza for 10,000 bitcoins. Is he still holding that until now? If so, his $20 investment at that time will be more than $300 million in today's time. It's a jaw-dropping return on his investment. Now you might be thinking that cryptocurrency is risky, but before dismissing it, spend at least a few hours researching both sides of the argument. You'll be surprised to learn that many successful investors, including the legendary Warren Buffett, made their initial fortunes by taking on some unique bets. Buffett invested 65% of his net worth in an insurance company. Wasn't that a risky move? Yet over the next 2 decades, the price soared 100 times, allowing Buffett to escape from the rat race at the age of 26. Want to invest in some risky and unique investment now, do you? If not, here's the truth. The so-called safe investments, like investing in index funds, won't provide the rapid gains you need to escape the rat race quickly. Even if the millionaire's favorite, the S&P 500, averages a 10% gain annually, it's not guaranteed. You have to wait for decades, watching the clock tick away before retiring. But if you're determined to break free within the next 5 to 10 years, a unique way of thinking in investment is the game changer you've been searching for. I know you'll be asking this: where do I find these incredible unique investments? If you want to learn more about investing, make sure to watch our other videos. Now, when you find your unique investment, it's time to assess the risk and reward ratio. Remember, unique investments can often go awry. That's why risk management is vital. And remember, never bet more than you can afford to lose. You should never stake all your savings into a single bet. Only wager what you can handle losing, so you can live to bet again. Let's give an example. Have you heard of Luna crypto before? Luna is listed among the top 10 in the crypto market, continuously increasing its value over the years. A lot of people sell everything that they have and borrow money from banks, families, and friends just to buy Luna. On an unfortunate day in May 2022, the value of Luna vanishes in thin air, ranging from a price of around $100 for each coin the day before the crash. Then just a single night, the price fell to $0.000064. Crypto with a value of virtually zero. Those people who stake everything may not continue their life as it is before. It might be a lot harder. That's why it's important to not only stake what you can afford to lose. So if you can win, you could retire early. If not, life would go on as usual. But the question is, what if you have several income streams? Then you can find more opportunities. That's why increasing your income stream matters so much. It gives you room to recover and try again. Do you know that multi-millionaires made several mistakes before reaching their current status? The key is to always learn from mistakes. Now, if you hit that jackpot, what should you do? Hitting the jackpot is life-changing, but don't get carried away. There are a lot of people around the world who won the lottery, got rich, and became poor again in no time. Just keep working, keep saving, and keep searching for the next opportunity. Now, if you're fortunate enough to escape the rat race, it's time to focus on preserving your wealth. Preserving, not saving, all right? Manage your money wisely so you can earn more than your old job ever could. It's very important to learn how to diversify your wealth. Not only in different crypto, but spreading your wealth across different sectors. Diversification ensures you stay wealthy, while unique investments are what got you there in the first place. So diversify your portfolio and enjoy life. Now, to sum it up, the key to escaping from the rat race lies in increasing your income stream and making well-managed investments. Also, try to study and copy successful investor strategies. Remember, proper risk management is crucial. When you hit the jackpot, diversify your wealth wisely. Investments are still risky, so consult a financial advisor with real-life experiences before taking any action. If you have a different path to escape the rat race, share it in the comments section below. Also, if you like to watch videos about finance like this, then you're in for a treat with our next video. Stay tuned.